Got a full send.
You got it! Oh my God! Oh.
Floor is lava. Lava ate him. Okay guys, we are super excited because today we have Floor is Lava, best rollerbladers in the planet. Why don't we go and you just everybody introduce themselves and then we'll get to the Floor is Lava course.
Yo, my name is Brandon, the milkman.
What's going on? They call me Charlie Wally.
Everyone calls me Biz, you know me.
My name is Philip. I won Blade Cup once.
Your very own ESG.
What's up? I'm Be Free.
Okay, so take us through this course.
Wait, who are you?
Huh? I'm Fetty and he's Aaron.
You start up on the 5.
Do you slide the rail or jump onto there?
You do whatever you want.
Will you do this parkour style?
Nope. Onto the 20-foot box. Then you gap this.
We can parkour this. Yeah. Okay, then to here.
Then to here. Then the teeter-totter.
Oh, God!
And then across this rail. Yeah, we could parkour this. Let's time trials parkour. Then to here.
Hold up, Eddie.
Onto here. Grind a ride. And then up.
Now this to me is where it starts to get real gnarly. Down the hubba and then into a wall. Oh man.
Whoa!
Yeah, I'm not.
Then it ends on the mini ramp. The extra points if they launch out and land on the carpet.
We don't got the Braille drop on this one? Come on, for one time we could incorporate the Braille blades.
What's up with all this practicing?
So Be Free is the Carlos.
Yeah, he's Carlos, pretty much.
Okay, I see. Okay, I'm most definitely gonna have to long lens this. I'm not
Yes.
running with them.
I'm gonna go get lunch now. My toes hurt.
And then Carlos.
Carlos in there. And then put a like a secret player. It'd probably be
Like a Nigel.
like a wild card. Yeah.
Oh, what? I'll do it on my feet.
Okay, who's first?
B, you can go first.
How did I go first? Did you wrote my name first? Oh, all right. Are we doing this?
Yep, you ready?
All right, let's try it.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome, welcome, welcome. Sorry.
Start, go.
On the pop in.
Here he goes. That's the gnarliest part right there. I mean, if you make it over that, I feel like you got it. This is too easy. Even hit the wall. Even do the wall ride.
No.
Get out. Man, too easy.
I'm just letting you know right now, since you got it so fast, your next one, I'm putting tricks in that you have to do in certain spots.
I like that. Let's do it.
26 seconds.
26.06 seconds.
Okay, 26 seconds. B-Tids. You ready? Rolling in on the drop into the big gap. Oh, you almost hit lava. Oh, dead. Dead. Woo.
That's scary, dude.
It's a rebate. Okay, Phil, you ready? Let's see what you got.
Oh, he's flying.
Phil dropping in on the ramp. Hits the gap. Oh, he hits that. Rail. Dang. Oh. 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 I think he put his hand down. I don't know though, did he put his hand down over there?
He beat you! 24:30.
24:30, leave it in the comments below if that one counts. May or may not have touched, but that was good. Okay, who's next? Charlie. Look at his determination in his face. Oh no, Charlie! Please go!
Oh my God. No speed.
All right, Biz. Oh no! Oh my God.
I tried to send it though.
Aaron, you have to.
I couldn't even
No,
go on
you,
flat.
Aaron, you literally have to.
You saw what happened to me on the Heelys.
I will do it.
Okay, do it.
You want me to do it? I'll
Yeah,
do it.
sure.
I'll do it. I'll figure out a way. I don't care.
Okay, Garcia.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh! Floor is lava. Lava ate him. Carlos is now gonna attempt it on Heelys. Oh my. He was saying he's got Heelys, he should do it first try. I don't think so, dude.
I'm gonna do this course on rollerblades.
On rollerblades?
I'm gonna do it.
No, you're not.
I'm gonna do it.
No, you're not.
Bet right now. Take bets. I'll do it first try. I will do it.
Okay, time Narlos. No.
This is the worst thing I've ever seen.
Oh no. Stupid. Stupid. Oh no. Oh! He was making really good time. I thought he might have been
Harder than it looks, dude.
There we go, Nigel.
All right, Nigel.
You're up next. Everything you got. Full send. It was nice knowing him.
Yeah, he's dead.
Full send, Nigel. Full send!
It looks so much further.
Get it.
Oh my God! I'm done! And Nigel just won.
Yeah, Gabe says he's got it.
Give me some blades! Give me some blades!
You want some blades?
Give me some blades!
Oh, yes, Gabe!
It may not be legit, but it's my way.
There's no way to do his way. He can't do it.
In case anybody else wants to be brave, I got you.
Yeah, it'll be a little snug, but this man is a grown man.
Now that I've done this first jump, I realize how difficult everything else is. Now, I'll stick to 4 wheels that I can like push away when I want to.
For the rest of the world, they don't get that until they try it. You know what I'm saying? Like that. It's crazy. Once you try, put on skates and do the, try the things that we're doing, you can kind of feel and understand it. Instead of like looking at it like, oh, it looks easy. You know?
No, it's not easy. No.
Give this man mad respect for that. Y'all don't even realize how hard that was.
Sorry.
So.
It's gonna be impressive how cheating I do this. I don't know if it's gonna be ramp love making, but it's gonna be making something. Oh, my ankles are too weak to get these on. Oh, yep. I hurt myself.
Nice knowing you, Gabe.
Thank you, Aaron.
First try.
First try, I'm gonna do it. Hope you're ready for this.
I'm ready. How does he think he's gonna do that? You think he's gonna be safe on that? Look at him, he looks like an ice skater. Okay, Gabe, let's go! 24 seconds, time to beat! He's dead. No way! No, let him go! Let him go! First try, he said. Yeah, I got this, he said. It's Gabe's way, he said. He's farther than I thought.
That's scary as hell, dude. Oh, that's gonna be sore in the morning. As long as that looked funny, that's all I care about.
You want to try the rest?
I'll give it a shot.
You try the rest. Yep.
Got it.
Oh, here it is.
His signature move. He's touching. You're all over the lava. He didn't need those pants. Oh, no. What would you have done on that rail to the... I'll show you. Okay. Oh yeah, okay. It's that upper body strength. But now from here to there, what are you gonna do? This is his favorite part. Wait, let me get out of that frame. Wait, give it another. It's the worst thing I've ever seen. Okay. Okay. You're onto something. Oh no, dude. Oh no. He kind of slid that. I don't know, dude. I hope somebody's timing this. Oh yeah, this is easy. That's no problem. Oh no! Watch your back!
Still going.
Nobody saw that. Yeah. The world's best rollerbladers. Is he gonna land it though? Jump off and land the plane. Oh! Yeah!
The commitment is real. That's crazy.
I'm gonna stay out here for a little while.
Yeah, I bet you. That's great.
I don't know how much more I got in me, man. I might have to retire after this. That was genuinely the most exhausting thing I've ever done in my life. I think I broke a rib.
I didn't get your time, but it was probably like 10 seconds.
A run like that isn't quantified by time, it's quantified by epicosity. That hurt my side.
Yeah, no kidding.
Did it look bad? It didn't feel that bad.
You were like this, and then you fell from here to there.
Since these guys made it too easy, we're gonna make it harder. So for you two, it's gonna be 360 this one. Come on over. 1 foot slide on this first rail. Then you guys can do whatever all the way over to here. 1 foot trick over this to that. And then you have to land fakie onto the mini ramp at the end. Now do it.
Okay, who wants to go? Trick round. No. Oh. Got him.
You gonna do it?
You wanna do it? Everybody's dipping out. We were like, oh, it's too easy. And then everybody's like, no, I'm out.
After me, I would stop too.
After you, right? No. Yeah, boy.
Wow.
Too easy. You don't need that hat.
Oh, wow. Phil's got the move. That was sick.
That was good.
Yeah.
Woo! You got it. Oh!
You're good. You're still good. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. That was good.
Oh, that is too gnarly.
Oh my God, it's too big. That was too big. All right,
Carlos is gonna get kicked in the head. Got it! Oh no!
Is somebody timing this?
Time trials don't matter. This is just awesome.
Wow.
Yeah, I mean, I think Gabe's was the most stylish, but that was definitely faster. Check out all those other videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn how to ride a skateboard. Let's go.